Today, I am reviewing Soulgenix 17.3 and 100 Laptop 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Soulgenix 17.3 and 100 Laptop is a powerful and versatile laptop designed for students, professionals, and anyone looking for a large-screen computing experience without compromising on speed or storage. With its impressive 17.3-inch HD+ display, this laptop delivers vibrant colors, sharp visuals, and wide viewing angles that make both work and entertainment more enjoyable. Whether you are editing documents, attending online classes, streaming your favorite shows, or engaging in video calls, the expansive display ensures you see everything clearly and comfortably, reducing eye strain over long hours of use. Under the hood, the Soulgenix 17.3 and 100 is powered by a 12th Gen Intel Celeron N100 processor with 4 cores running at up to 3.4 GHz. While the processor is energy efficient, it provides enough power to handle everyday computing tasks such as web browsing, spreadsheets, word processing, and multitasking between multiple applications. Coupled with 16 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, the system ensures smooth performance even when running multiple apps simultaneously. This means you can switch between your email, browser tabs, and office software seamlessly without worrying about lag or slowdowns. Storage is also generous on this model, with a 1TB SSD that gives you plenty of space for documents, media, software, and other essential files. The solid-state drive also improves boot times and speeds up application loading, giving you a much faster and more responsive computing experience compared to traditional hard drives. Whether you are working on large projects, downloading high-resolution media, or simply storing important files, the Soulgenix 17.3 and 100 is built to handle it with ease. Connectivity is another area where this laptop excels. The Soulgenix 17.3 and 100 features USB 3.2 ports, USB-C, HDMI, a TF card slot, and headphone/microphone jacks, giving you all the connections you need for peripherals, external displays, and audio devices. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0 ensures a reliable wireless connection for fast internet browsing, streaming, and device pairing. Video calls and online meetings are handled efficiently with a 720p webcam, making this laptop a solid choice for remote learning, office meetings, and virtual collaboration. Another standout feature of this laptop is its Windows 11 Pro operating system with MS Office pre-installed, which enhances productivity right out of the box. With integrated tools for word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and secure cloud connectivity, you can get started on your projects immediately without needing to install additional software. The pre-installed OS also provides enhanced security features, ensuring your data and privacy are protected while you work or study. In terms of design, the Soulgenix 17.3 and 100 laptop is sleek and professional, with a gray finish that complements any workspace or study environment. The Backlit keyboard is perfect for low-light environments, and the built-in fingerprint reader adds an extra layer of security, allowing you to log in quickly and safely. Its lightweight form factor, combined with its large display, strikes a perfect balance between portability and functionality, making it ideal for students, professionals, and home users alike. Overall, the Soulgenix 17.3 and 100 laptop is a highly capable device that combines a large, vibrant display, smooth performance with 16 GB RAM, ample 1TB SSD storage, and modern connectivity options. It is an excellent choice for students, office workers, and home users who want a reliable, stylish, and functional laptop that can handle both work and entertainment effortlessly. With Windows 11 Pro and MS Office included, you are ready to be productive from the moment you turn it on. This laptop truly offers a complete computing experience, balancing performance, screen size, and convenience, making it one of the best options in its class for 2025.